Today I am going to make this incredibly beautiful, crunchy and amazing in flavor fermented vegetables. I know we all have learnt and heard so much about fermenting vegetables, but how to do it in a right way at your home and make it very easy, fuss-free. Let's start making this beauty right now. So the vegetables which we have taken: carrots, radish, beetroot and cabbage. Two things. You must have observed the cut of vegetables is a little bigger. That is done on purpose. I want you all to chew your vegetables and food or any kind of thing what you are eating before you gulp it down. The more your food stays on your taste buds, it gives you more satisfaction. Second, if you see, I have filled the jars half the place I have left for better development of the microbiome. What is microbiome? You know, your gut has got trillions of good bacteria, bad bacteria, microorganisms basically, and this entire network is called gut microbiome. Now when we say, what does your gut feel say? It has a meaning, because your gut is deciding that what thoughts are going to come in your mind, how healthy you're going to be staying, how good your skin looks, how beautiful your hormones are being placed, and everything is managed, is done by the good microbiome. So basically, when you really want to maintain the good microbiome, shift to the fermented vegetables, shift to a better lifestyle. To prepare this fermented vegetable, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a pickling solution. First thing I'm going to pour is the apple cider vinegar. I'm going to add Himalayan pink salt, crushed black peppers, Ajwain or Carom seeds. I personally love using organic honey. So in this fermentation process, I have used pure organic honey, which helps the fermentation process become better. A couple of spoons of your favorite oil. I have taken flaxseed oil. Let me mix this up nicely. I want to ask you a question, that how many of you know that the mixing of any food product has to be done towards clockwise? If yes, what is the reason? Please comment and let me know. Wow. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to pour this pickling agent into all the jars equally. So all these jars are ready. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to keep them at room temperature for 24 hours, and after that 5 days under refrigeration. And after 5 days, let's check it, how it turns out and how it tastes. I am going to open it after 5 days. The color has changed, a little liquid has oozed out. I'm going to try all of them one by one. A nice carroty, very refreshing, a bit of lemony. Let me dig in. It's tender. So good, so refreshing. The powerhouse of your gut microbial health is here. I am going to try the cabbage. Mix a bit. Interesting and amazing. Beetroot, I love the color. It has got that beautiful earthiness which is going to complement any of your dishes. Radish. Surprisingly, the sharpness of radish has gone. It's tasting very interestingly, amazingly, little sweet, little sour, and health-wise, do I really need to speak more about it? If you really want to hear thank you and gratitude from your gut, you need to include this in your diet. Now, making this is absolutely easy. Make it, eat it, and let me know how your gut responds to this. This is Chef Rahul Singh signing off. Eat healthy, stay happy. Bye-bye.